Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix when earbuds don't respond or respond slowly to touch controls. And the first one what you can do is to put your earbuds to the charging case. Also, I'm recommended to check it in the Bluetooth. So now it disconnected from your phone, then remove it from the charging case and you can click on it to reconnect. And now check, maybe it fixed your problem. If it doesn't, also I recommend it to use an application, go to the touch controls and check is it set, maybe it's set to none. So right here as you can see we have it, and if you have the same, just click at the something else, let's say volume up, and maybe it because of that. And the last one, ensure that you tap on the touch controls. So the touch controls located right here where we have a logo, and this is actually a touch control. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.